Hello, welcome to the Underground channel if you're here on YouTube, and welcome to the Facebook group called Your Private Tiny Homes Builder Club. And we have a brand new channel now that is Your Tiny Homes Builder Club and Off-Grid Living How To, and the products and stuff that everybody's been wanting to know about that I posted on my other videos. So I'm trying to get it all together on the new channel and use that channel to post the products and the links where you can get these things on sale. Excuse me. This is the home signal booster, and the one that you want is called High Boost Dot. This is the best one, I believe, on the market, and it's the most simple one to hook up and to get it working instantly if you're 0 to 1 bars. Now, I live down in a little valley, and I was getting 0 to 1 bars too. So I've tried many of these things out. I've tried this one out, and the other ones I just chucked them, and I'm getting ready to chuck that one too. And this one here is by far does the job, especially if you're out in the boonies or in the sticks or live in a little valley like mine. And basically it just comes in 3 parts, and it's plug and play basically. I got mine mounted up here. This is just temporary because I wanted to test it and make sure that it works and everything. I'm going to move the indoor antenna over to the other side, so when I open my door I can go outside and still get a very good signal. So these are the 2 parts that goes indoors. You just mount it up on the brackets that gives it to you, which I got mine temporary. It's built on actually, and it's just tacked there temporarily because I still got to do insulation and walls on my tiny house build. So let's go outside. And the tower, I don't know about you, but the tower, the nearest tower from me is 5 miles. That's how far in the sticks I am. So basically, just to set it up, easy, and I put a PVC pipe up and a 1 or 2x2 inside the PVC pipe, put a screw on it so I could turn it. And there's the antenna. Let me get a side view. So there is 2 apps that you download with this. One app tells you how to zero in on the antenna that's 5 miles away, and it tells you how good your signal strength is. Anything 100 and below is very good. If you're over 100, it'll still work, but you might only get 2 or 3 bars. Say you're 7 miles away from an antenna. So it all depends on how far you are from a cellular tower. Mine's 5 miles, and this gives me from 0 to 5 bars. I was only getting 1 bar, and taking me forever to upload videos or anything. Now it's a lot faster. So I will put a link where to get this on sale and save you some money. And I've put a good review. Read the reviews if you want on the link that I'm going to provide. I don't think I've seen any negative reviews on this that people has bought. But you want to make sure you want to get the one that says DOT, D-O-T. And if you get that, you're going to be happy with it, because it works anywhere in my building in here. I get 5 bars all the time. Now if I walk outdoors a little bit, let me see how far I got to go before my 5 bars go down. Okay, I'm about 25 feet out Still 5 bars. Oh, no, 4 bars now. I'm about 50 feet away from my tiny house, and I'm down to 3 bars. Let's go out here. Still 3 bars. Oh my goodness. This is a lot better than I thought. I didn't even do this yet. I'm down to 2 bars. So I'm about at least 100 feet away. So that's telling you how good it is. Now I'm back up to 4 bars. And now that I'm facing the building, I got 5 bars already, about 50 feet out. So I will leave a link where you can buy this. And don't worry, the price ain't jacked up. Amazon pays me a commission fee. And since I had a stroke and 2 strokes and a heart attack, I'm a little bit paralyzed on my left side. So my commission is $3.50, I think it is, for each one that clicks my link and buys it from, through the Amazon through that link. Well, hey, Sweet Pea, I can't hold you right now, so you got to go out. Go. Shoo. But I'm going to cut this video. I didn't want it to be very long. It's all about the high boost. I'll be doing more updates on the build. I'm getting ready to put in more insulation. And I'm building this to sell. I figure by the time I get done, it's going to have a jacuzzi and everything in here. And I got 8 rooms in a 12 by 16. And you can see how much floor space I still have down the hallway and through there. But like I said, I don't want to get onto the tiny house right now. But this is the one you want. And up to 1,000 square feet coverage. So it's a product that does what it says. Have a nice day. Leave your comments down below. And I'll post the other products. A lot of people's wanting the heater that I bought that uses no electricity to heat your water. And some people's already started buying off that link, but I'm going to post it on my other new channel too, because people are starting to join. I got like almost 50 subscribers already on that channel. So without further ado, God bless you. Stay safe out there. And if you're wanting to go off grid, you want to subscribe to my channels, and you would want to join our new group on Facebook, Your Tiny Home Builders Club. I also will travel around, me and my partner, he's a master carpenter too, and we can build you underground shelters and put your tiny home on top of it and build you secret passages if you're into that. Or we can build you cellars so you can grow things underneath your tiny house and still build secret passages where when the times come, you got a place that nobody's going to know it's there. So have a nice day. God bless you. And thank you for watching.